Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for this opportunity, the Honorable, the examiner of the final project proposal. And this time, I would like to present my final project by the title is Analysis of Gear Pump Performance on Pump Test Before and After Repair in the Lab Flita Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. Before I continue my presentation, please let me introduce myself. First, my name is Ahmad Ilham, who has student ID is 0019 from Diploma 3 Marine Engineering Study Program, Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. In this video, I will explain about the content of my final project. The first is overview. The overview contains a research background, problem statement, research goal, research benefit, and problem limitation. And the second is basic theory, reference, and theoretical of passage. Third is research methodology, research data resource, research variable, and flowchart. Next is introduction. Next is problem statement. What is the value of the discharge power and gear pump head in the PPNS fluid lab before repair and made? Second, what is the value of the discharge power and gear pump head in the PPNS fluid lab after repair are made? Third is how does the performance of the gear pump compare in the PPNS fluid lab before and after repair are made? Next is research purpose. First, to find out the value of discharge, power, and gear pump head in the PPNS fluid lamp before repair are made. Second is to find out the value of discharge, power, and gear pump head in the PPNS fluid laboratorium after repair have been made. Third is to find out the comparison of the performance of the gear pump in the PPNS fluid laboratorium before and after repair were made. And next is research benefit. First, for institution, the campus, especially the fluid laboratorium management, can consider input regarding pump calculation as well as solving problems that arise. Second, for student, it is knowledge and insight for student in understanding the science of pump performance and maintenance. Next is limitation of the problem. One, the analysis was carried out in the Surabaya State Shipping Polytechnic. Two, the discussion only focused on the pump test, which use a gear pump in the PPNS Flida lab. Three, is calculation are centered on pump head, discharge, and pump power. Four, is does not discuss efficient and cost or the calculation of economic value. And the last is the fluid used is water. Next is chapter 2, basic theory. Pump. Pump is a device for moving fluid from one place to another which work on the basis of converting mechanical energy into kinetic energy. The mechanical energy provided by the tool is used to increase the speed, pressure or elevation, height or Lamy gas. And next is gear pump, external gear pump. This pump is the simplest type of rotary pump. If the gear teeth are on the suction side, the liquid will fill the space between the teeth. Then this fluid will be carried around and pressed out when the teeth come together again. And next is gear pump, internal gear pump. This type has a rotor that has an inner tooth paired with a free outer gear or idler, and a crescent-shaped bull hack can be used to prevent fluid from returning to the pump side. Next is pump capacity. Pump capacity is the amount per unit weight that the pump must move the per unit time. Pump capacity is expressed in unit of value per unit. For mass flow rate expressed in unit according for this formula. Let's add losses. In head losses are had to overcome friction losses in pipes and head loss in turn. Reduce valve and other accessories installed along the pipeline. Head loss are divided into two parts, namely, first is major loss and second is minor loss. Next is pump power. Pumping power is the power the centrifugal pump can use and transfer to the fluid. From this pump testing installation, it can be seen the amount of pump power and the power of the driving motor needed to drive it. The amount of pump power can be calculated by the following formula. And next is chapter 3, research methodology. Next is research data resource. Place in Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. Time in after on-the-job training, and the data, primary data and secondary data. And next is research data. The data taken was obtained from the Fleet Laboratorium of the State Shipping Polytechnic of Surabaya, and the time for data collection was approximately 6 months. Secondary is the retrieval of data from the catalog. Research variable. First is pump power. 2 is pump head. Third is fluid flow velocity. And fourth is friction coefficient value. And the last is flow chart. My flow chart starting from problem identification, then continued with field studies and literature studies, as well as formulating problem, then collecting data and calculating pump head and pump power, then analyzing pump performance based on the result of calculation, then making calculation from the research result. And thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.